One day, Little Elephant lost his favorite ball. "Where is my ball?" he said. He looked and looked. Then he saw Little Monkey. He was playing with a ball just like his. Little Elephant ran over. "That's my ball," he said angrily. "No, it's my new ball," said Little Monkey. "Mine, mine!" they shouted. Just then, Little Bird flew by. "What's wrong?" she asked gently. Little Elephant pointed. "I think that ball is mine." "No, I saw your ball roll behind the bushes." Little Elephant ran to check. There it was, his ball. He felt embarrassed. He hurried back. "I'm sorry," he said quietly. "I blamed you before I checked." Little Monkey smiled. "It's okay. I'm glad you found your ball. What would you do if you lost something?" Like and follow.